Hey, it's Lucy. Trying to get rid of my hiccups. So how's it going?
What are you doing?
Trying to get rid of hiccups. It's just so far.
Hold your breath. Close your ears. Rub your stomach. Say Rockstar Pickle 3 times.
Rockstar pickle, rockstar pickle.
One more time. That was twice.
Rockstar pickle.
Pat your stomach. Pat your head. You know, they also said that if you scare someone, they get rid of their hiccups.
Well,
Bill!
Ah! Okay, that was not funny.
Did it cure your hiccups?
No.
Hold your breath and count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Did it work?
No. What about water? But then I'll throw up. And I don't like throw up.
Close your mouth.